This is one of the most asked questions during interviews. Explain the difference between dictionary and list. Now, in terms of structure, dictionary has its own key value pairs. Each key is unique within the dictionary, while in list it stores data as an ordered collection of items. Now, talking about accessing elements, dictionary can be accessed using keys, while in list it can be accessed using index. In terms of order, wherein in dictionary there is an unordered collection where order cannot be maintained, while in terms of list it is an ordered collection where elements can maintain their order. Now, talking about mutability, in dictionary it is mutable wherein you can change, add or modify the elements, while in list it is again mutable which allows modifications to the order. In terms of use case, dictionary needs to store data that can be accessed quickly with a unique identification key, while in list certain sequences or different sequences need to be arranged for the storage of data in a particular order which can be accessed using an index. Now, understanding the differences between both of these is very important in order to help us understand and choose the right data structure according to the application. For more such videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.